Here's my third 1950s GE box fan. This one is actually the stand model. It's got the knobs on it for the things to accept the stand. The knobs are elsewhere. I don't remember where I put them, but this is a stand model. It's not reversible. It's just forward only. It's got kind of an interesting switch on it. The handle is in great shape. And as you can see, there's some rust on the blade. This thing really isn't that bad. The blade is off balance. You can see it's spinning backwards after I started it for a second. So this is definitely going to need to be balanced. Turn it around. So here we go. It's moving in and out a lot. Oh, hang on. I'll hold the fan. Probably part of the noise. And somebody put nuts and bolts on this blade hub. That's weird. Interesting. I had to get the puller out because this one would not budge. Almost got it off. I'm just going to have to put something smaller in here because this is too wide to get all the way in that hole. So, yeah. Okay, I went to the hardware store. I got a couple of rubber washers because they didn't have felt washers, and I got 3 of these fiber washers. So what I'm going to do is put the rubber washer in first, and then I'm going to put the fiber washer in on top of it. And I'll probably put one on the back too. I could not find felt washers. The closest thing I could find are these car battery terminal washers, anti-corrosion washers. I could cut them down to size and use them, but I think the rubber washer will do just fine. These are pretty thick anyway, so. But if it ends up being that I need that, I will certainly use it. Okay, the washers are in. The rotor, the rotor is in. Barely moves in and out anymore, so it should be a lot quieter. And we got all the washers on the back, and the C-clip is on. I'm gonna put the oil wick back in and put the cover on. Got the back cover pounded on, nice and tight. The shaft, like I said before, barely moves in and out. I will start it up for you real quick. Nice and quiet. Much better than it was before. It's gonna need a little bit more oil though. Okay, the motor's all mounted back on. I oiled it some more. It's running real quiet now. So I'm going to go ahead and put the blade on and start balancing it. The blade is on, and I did balance it. This blade was extremely off balance. I needed to use 2 shelf clips on here to balance it, but now it's pretty much perfect. I think some of these rivets are a bit loose because there's a vibration in the blades on high. It's a vibrating sound. It's kind of annoying, but at least it doesn't wobble, and at least it doesn't make any clickety-clacky noises in the motor anymore. So let's start it up on low. Go up to medium. There's that vibrating sound in the blade that I was telling you about. So yeah, that should pretty much do it for this one. it looks like I'm probably going to have to get new rivets in these blades maybe, which is certainly possible to do, and it should quiet it down completely. But I'm going to put the grills back on and be done with this for the day.